welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we're gonna do a PS4 unboxing video, guys. Check this thing out, baby. Look, and we're also gonna do an unboxing video on God of War, and plus we got online for a year. So yeah, guys, let's open this puppy up. So first off, we're gonna want to start off. Come on, let me just get it by this side. One sec. Oh, it's a slice the dice, bro. Look at this thing, guys. Alright, guys, make sure you like and subscribe. How am I gonna get this out? It's not as easy as it looks, guys, but it is as easy when you go to get this part out. Sorry about that, guys. It is taking a little while. I just gotta get this piece off. Come on, baby. Look at that, guys. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Okay. So now that we have that, we want to put this down. And now we want to go here. We're going to show you what we get inside. We want to open up this. And now the first off, we're going to start off with our controller, baby. Let's see, guys. Let's start off with our controller. See how our controller feels. I just dropped my box. It feels absolutely 100% nice, guys. We got a mic. Look at that, guys. We got the power, the charger, that, and then we also got an HDMI. And now the next part we need to get onto is this. And I'm trying to see how do I open this part up. Well, that's how you get it open up. Now the next part here is you want to open up this, guys. And now this is where your system comes out to. And now I'll leave that box on the floor for right now. I don't know if here, one second, guys. So we don't want to hit this thing. Okay, so we're just gonna go. Now look at that, guys. That is nice, bro. Okay, I just need to add this up. Alright, guys, we got our menu here, which I'm pretty sure none of you care about. We're gonna read this later, I don't know. We got all our cords, guys, and everything. But now, it's time to unbox this. Alright, where's the knife? Where's the knife? Oh, right here. Okay, you ready, guys? Come on. Hey, guys. And look, guys. When we open it up, we got the God of War. As you can see, guys, it's brand new in the package. Alright, guys, thank you all for watching. I hope you all liked and subscribed. I hope you enjoyed this PS4 unboxing, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe, because now we are going to be uploading Fortnite videos